Hi friends, welcome back to my Hispanic Pakistani household. So today my son turns 25 and we have come to Goldberg to a restaurant called The Hot Pot. I will show you what we ordered. Hope you like it. So here's a glimpse at their menu on what they have. They have dumplings, they have all these beef and chicken, and then desserts, and then here's their hot pot. There's meat, seafood, vegetables, what kind of noodles, dumplings, rice, condiments, crackers, and drinks. Happy birthday, son. Here's a dessert he got. Looks like some chocolate mousse. Here I got me a mint margarita. So here's a cake we got for my son. It's a cherry cheesecake. Here's the chicken dumplings, and here is a Caesar salad. Here is the hot pot. There's the broth.
You want to take it, bro?
This is the hot pot.
This is a family meal.
So I got an egg fried rice with a crispy Korean chicken. And here's my son's raviolis. Here's beef ramen. And here's chicken ramen. So here's the hot pot ready. It has dumplings, ramen. Here is the cheesecake. So the food here was delicious. Highly recommended. 10 out of 10. Yeah, so it's in Goldberg in Lahore. Okay, so we have left the hot pot. Again, I recommend it. 10 out of 10. Delicious place in Goldberg. And we are going to the movies and we have time to kill, so we stopped here at Tattle Tea House. And I think they're going to get a boba tea. I just want an ice water. It's super hot. So we're just going to chill in here until the movie starts. Hope you like it. So here is one drink, and there's two more drinks right there.
My brother, he's a birthday boy. I'm telling him something I need to tell him.
We're here at the theater.